My name is Yongzhe Song, a lead researcher and senior lecturer at Curtin University. My research focuses on developing some new geospatial methods and integrating geospatial approaches, satellite remote sensing, and AI in sustainable infrastructure management. For example, we have developed some projects in Western Australia where we have the world's largest road network. And we use laser scanning, satellite remote sensing, and AI to identify where the roads get worse and predict the future scenarios. I enjoy this kind of research because I enjoy the theories on the back of these models and the methods. And from the practice, I can convert this practical problem into mathematical models. That is my primary interest. We couldn't do this kind of research without our partners, like the road authorities in Western Australia and other states. Through these projects, I have developed 8 open source software packages which have been downloaded over 120,000 times globally, which have been used in both industries and academia. This helps make the roads more sustainable around the world.